Welcome to the Stoic Formula, the channel where ancient wisdom meets modern life. Here we explore timeless Stoic principles to help you find clarity, resilience, and true happiness from within. If you're ready to trade noise for stillness and chaos for control, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. How to be happy in a Stoic way. Finding joy through inner mastery. In an age of constant stimulation, endless comparison, and the pursuit of fleeting pleasures, the question of how to be happy feels more urgent than ever. Yet, over 2,000 years ago, Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus offered a radically different approach to happiness, one rooted not in external circumstances, but in inner peace and rational self-governance. To be happy in a Stoic way is not about smiling more, accumulating wealth, or avoiding discomfort. It's about learning to live in accordance with nature, cultivating virtue, and mastering your response to life's inevitable difficulties. Here's how the Stoic path can lead you to lasting and resilient happiness. 1. Focus on what you can control. At the heart of Stoicism lies a simple but transformative idea. Separate what you can control from what you cannot. Your thoughts, judgments, and actions are within your power. The weather, other people's opinions, and the outcome of events are not. Happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle. Some things are within our control and some things are not. Epictetus. A Stoic doesn't waste energy worrying about things outside their influence. Instead, they focus on shaping their character, making rational decisions, and responding wisely to whatever life brings. 2. Reframe suffering through reason. Life brings pain, loss, and disappointment. The Stoic approach is not to deny this suffering, but to reframe it. If you lose your job, it's not inherently bad. It's an opportunity to practice resilience, reassess your direction, and strengthen your independence. Stoicism teaches that suffering arises more from our judgment of events than the events themselves. By using reason to interpret adversity, we can free ourselves from unnecessary emotional turmoil. 3. Practice negative visualization. It might seem counterintuitive, but imagining the loss of what you love, a Stoic practice known as premeditatio malorum, can heighten your appreciation for the present and soften the blow if loss occurs. Envision losing your health, possessions, or even a loved one, not to wallow in fear, but to remember the impermanence of all things and to live more fully in gratitude now. 4. Live according to virtue. For the Stoics, true happiness is not found in pleasure or success, but in living a life of virtue. This means practicing wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Ask yourself, am I acting with integrity? Am I being courageous in the face of fear? Am I treating others fairly? These questions guide the Stoic toward a kind of happiness that no misfortune can take away. 5. Cultivate inner stillness. Marcus Aurelius, Emperor of Rome and one of Stoicism's most iconic voices, wrote about the importance of keeping a quiet mind. Amid chaos, we can maintain inner calm by returning to reason and aligning ourselves with nature. Modern life pulls us in countless directions. The Stoic path reminds us to retreat into ourselves regularly, to reflect, to write, to breathe, and to remember what truly matters. 6. Accept fate with grace. Amor, Fati. The Stoic ideal is not just to tolerate what happens, but to love it. This concept, known as Amor Fati, asks us to embrace every twist of fate as necessary and potentially beneficial. You don't have to like what happens, but you can learn to welcome it as part of a larger whole, a cosmos in which you play your role with dignity and courage. Conclusion. joy through inner mastery. Stoic happiness isn't flashy or euphoric. It's a steady contentment rooted in clarity, virtue, and acceptance. It doesn't depend on external validation, perfect circumstances, or the avoidance of pain. Instead, it flows from a life lived with reason, self-discipline, and moral purpose. In a world that promises happiness through consumption and distraction, Stoicism offers a quieter, deeper alternative: the joy of mastering yourself. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Marcus Aurelius. Choose them wisely. Thanks for watching the Stoic Formula. If this helped you take one step closer to inner peace, consider subscribing and sharing with someone on the same path. Remember, control what you can, accept what you can't, and live with virtue. Until next time, stay grounded and stay stoic.